Now, study section 6. We'll be looking at bibliographic citations and referencing. Now, what is citation and referencing? Citation and referencing are essential in writing research reports and papers of different kinds. Students as researchers at all levels require basic knowledge of bibliography and citation and referencing styles. This will help them in writing a perfect work. The word bibliography came from the Greek word bibliographer, which means a list of or the art of listing reading materials such as books. Citations are used to show readers where the information in your paper was originally published. Information you cite in your papers is important because it not only keeps you from plagiarizing other people's ideas, but it also helps you to prove to your readers that you know your topic very well. Plagiarism is a serious issue. Plagiarism can make a senior lecturer in a university to be demoted. Plagiarism is academic stealing. So it's a critical matter that when writing, you must cite people. You must cite people, you must have gone through their work, you must cite them, you must reference them, because it's a critical issue. Referencing mainly has to do with listing in an organized manner different information sources cited in a particular write-up. So it's not something you can do without. It's essential, it's paramount. Citation and referencing styles. We have different citation and referencing styles. We have APA style, American Psychological Association, the MLA, Modern Language Association, Chicago, published by the University of Chicago, CSC, Council of Science Editors, IEEE, Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers. Details and specification of these referencing and citation styles are available in different web pages. APA styles is commonly used in academic writing at different levels in many academic institutions, especially in this part of the world. And mostly APA style is more in use in social sciences. Most social scientists make use of APA style. And there are criteria in citing and referencing where using APA style. For example, the traditional approach to human cognition is oversimplified in assuming that processing is typically serial. You can see the citation style, Essig and Kian in 2010. It's in parentheses. When a work has 6 or more authors, cite only the surname of the first author, followed by et al., which means and others, and the year of publication for the first and subsequent citations. The reference list should contain full details of all the sources mentioned in your text, arranged alphabetically by surname or first author. It is important to use the citation style that is used in the field you are writing for. Always find out the citation style that is acceptable in your discipline. Those in sciences may prefer a different citation style. Those in social sciences, humanities, so it's important you find out the citation style required by your discipline. For example, many social scientists use the APA citation style for their papers. So it's important you find out the citation style that is required by the organization you are writing for or the institutions you belong. Each citation style has details that are important for that field. So be sure to use the citation style that your instructor suggests or that is applicable in your discipline. When writing your research work or term papers, there is need for you to find out the citation style that is required so that you won't begin to write using upper style where MLA may be the preferred citation style. In-text citations. In-text citations are citations that are inserted in the main text of your paper. The purpose of this citation is to let your reader know from where a specific piece of information came. There are two ways to include in-text citation in your paper using signal phrase. Examples. ESUT 2018 in parentheses stated that this library is essential in a university, or using parentheses whereby the essay, comma, and the year in parentheses. The adaptive institutions take care of the economic needs and wants of the society. So in the part of citations, you must abide by the rules of the organization or the faculty or the department. Bibliographies are called different things depending on which citation style you are using. In MLA, for example, it is called the works cited page, and in APA, it is called the reference page. The bibliography shows your reader all relevant information regarding your sources. It enables them to understand the relevant information in your sources. In your bibliography, you typically need to include the following information for each source: author's name, title, or the source. Publication information, date of publication and publisher. It is vital. When you list electronic resources in your bibliography, you often need to include the following: websites, publication, information, and the date you access the information. Different citation styles requires that you include different information, so be sure to consult a reliable citation style resources in the course of your work.